We have received complaints in terms of harassment from the police, and we are going to work closely with the Inspector General of Police to make sure that those minor incidences of harassment are sorted out. We are also doing a lot of sensitization to our law enforcement agencies to make sure that they are also aware that scrap metal business is just like any other business in Kenya. And once a person is compliant, is within the regulatory framework, he or she can engage in scrap metal business. The issues that we are urging members who deal in scrap metal across the country to avoid issues of vandalism. We are urging our members, any person who deals in scrap metal across the country, to avoid vandalism. Because the more we engage in vandalism, we encourage more of our infrastructure destruction. We are pulling our country backward, and that's our call, that we wouldn't want scrap metal dealers to engage on issues of vandalism. We have also had issues to do with import. Many dealers complaining that millers are heavily relying on imports rather than the available scrap metal in the country. And as a council, we have suspended the renewal of licenses of imports so that we can do deliberations. These deliberations will help us be able to understand whether the available raw material in terms of scrap, is it available to certify the 33 steel millers that we have in Kenya. So we are going on with these deliberations, and these deliberations will enable us come at a conclusion of whether we will ban the import of scrap metal, or we are going to give percentage in terms of the number of imports that we are going to allow into the country.